Weather-wise, let's take you on out to downtown Dallas this morning. Talking about that fog out there, it's very patchy in some areas. We're not dealing with a whole lot of that. You see the clouds kind of thinning out a little bit in downtown Dallas, so we can actually see the skyline now. We couldn't a little bit earlier, but just keep that in mind as you head on out the door this morning. Again, we do have that dense fog advisory until 10 o'clock here this morning. Outside of that, we're looking at temperatures. 65 in Rockwall. You're going to have some dense fog out in that area over toward Terrell and Kaufman as well, mid and upper 60s. And then as we come back into the Metroplex, 69 in Arlington right now, along with Aledo, and 66 heading out to Weatherford. Now those highs today will climb into the lower 80s today. We'll have the clouds and the fog around this morning, giving way to some partly sunny skies, we think, this afternoon. And then it won't be until very late in the afternoon heading into this evening. That's when we'll start to see some showers and thunderstorms across North Texas. Now until then, maybe a little stray shower up along the Red River, our far northeastern counties by late this afternoon, but we'll have the better chances heading on into tonight. Here's what it looks like with our timecast heading on into this afternoon. You see around 5 p.m., maybe up along the Red River, 1 or 2 showers and storms, so coverage only about 20% at best through around 5 p.m. But notice as we get into the evening hours, we'll have the storms becoming a little more scattered along with that front that works its way in. This is around 9 p.m. It looks like the better chances for any widespread storms will be west of Dallas and Fort Worth around that time. But then as we head on into the overnight hours, this is around 1 a.m. Showers and storms become a little more scattered across the area. They will be a little more likely. That continues through the early overnight. But as we head toward 5 a.m., all that begins to push south and east on out of the area. We'll have those north winds coming around, some cooler and eventually drier air will begin to move in as those rain chances do dry up for us as we head on into the morning hours on Friday. And we should clear out a little bit more heading into Friday afternoon. Now, there will be a low risk for some severe storms. Hail and wind going to be the main threats for us. That marginal to slight risk just west of Dallas and Fort Worth for late afternoon heading on into tonight. So stay weather aware. Just keep that in mind as the storms could have that hail and wind threat with those, at least some of them anyway, as they move on in. Now look at the rain chances, though, as we get into the weekend. We're going to go with about a 40% coverage tonight. And then those rain chances do dry up for the weekend. We'll bump them back up to about a 20% coverage as we head into Monday. That, along with the temperatures, they will start to climb as well. Nice little dip in temperatures tomorrow. We may not get out of the 70s in many locations, but then we're going to be back close to 90 as we head into next week. Here's that 14-day forecast for you. Those lower 90s, they're going to be sticking around, along with some low-end rain chances as we head into next week through at least Wednesday, maybe Thursday of next week, and we'll call it seasonably warm as we head into next weekend.